successful meetings are all about confidence. Sharing content from a laptop or mobile device is a basic need for a video conferencing system. Here is the solution from Barco. With this wireless presentation system, users can simply share what's on their laptop or mobile device on the presentation screen. No cables, no setup, no waiting to join in. Click the button, that's it. Users can simply plug a USB-powered device, the Click Share button, into their PC or Mac. Enjoy sharing the content easily with Barco Click Share.